What's going on, guys? Today we repaired an ASIC. So we have an S9 down here that is actually running BraiinsOS currently. It was having an issue with this specific Hashboard, so we have a spare one right here that we can't turn into like an extra S10 right now. So I just went ahead and pulled the board from it to make sure that it was up and hashing and works, and so far so good. So right now it looks like we have a bad hashing board somewhere. It would not come online. Now this is the S9 that we use for the TheFamilyMine free hash giveaways. Currently, right now, it is hashing to a winner's address. So for the next month, until the 1st of next month, not October, but 1st of November, we will do a redraw for the next month's winner of free hash rate. So stay tuned for that. Let's go check the PC. Yay, there we go. Hey, our red light stopped flashing, so that's a good sign. Alright, so as you can see, we are here in the BraiinsOS main dashboard for the S9, and as you can see, we're currently sitting around 4.4 terahashes per board. I have this one underclocked a little bit because this was the bad one, and we were underclocking it to make sure that it was actually bad, and it was. But we are back up and going now, so yeah, that's freaking FA. The board's doing well, and we're back at 13.4 terahashes. So that's freaking fantastic. And now the winner of the last, or for the next months of terahash, or for free hash giveaway, will they'll be able to hash away. So within our 5 minutes, as you can see, we're about 14.8 terahashes. Now, the last 24 hours, you can see that it was doing, was not doing so hot. It was because one whole board was basically gone. And now we're going to ship it off to Nim. He'll send that out to fix. And now we are actually mining on the V2 Stratum, which I do find pretty interesting here on BraiinsPool, which used to be called Slushpool, if no one knows. Alright, so more to come on this, but I'm pretty interested by the V2 pools and what they have to offer. Maybe more to come on a separate video, of course. But freaking awesome, guys. And yeah, make sure you stick around for the next month when we give away another month of free hash rate from TheFamilyMine, courtesy of TheFamilyMine. Much love, peace out. Catch you on the flip side, guys. Peace.